Alright, what's going on, guys? We are leaving officially for CWL Champs LA. We got about an 8-hour drive ahead of us. It is right now 1:30 in the morning. We will check in when we stop to get gas, snacks, drinks, etc. We out here probably like good 10-15 minutes east of Coalinga. And where's this place? I think so. Oh no. I checked my map a second ago. But we got a little tired, pulled over, had a little rest, got some refreshments, got some beef jerky, got some 300 milligram Rockstar, so I think we'll be good to make it through the rest of the trip. It is 7:30 in the morning now. We left at 1:30, so we're actually making pretty decent time. Alright, well, we arrived at destination and then we napped for a little bit, and then we drove about 2 hours south of where we're staying to go to my favorite little taqueria down in Westminster, California. Got some food. We got the horchata left over, got a quesadilla left over. It's Tony's first time having that place. Tony's first time going there. Said the tacos were pretty good, burrito was pretty good, probably the best horchata he's had. 14022 Springdale Street, if anyone wants to try it out. Alright, we out here getting some more street tacos. You see it behind us. We got to roll over to this Chase Bank that's over here. Chase Bank behind us. It's about 9 p.m. right now. We are, where exactly are we?
Reseda, bro.
Reseda. Alright, we're in Reseda. Like I said, it's about 9 p.m. right now. Getting some more street tacos. About to play Modern Warfare. Started here first.
Twice in this game. Yeah, if he'd done it very early on, not waiting for it, then you maybe in Charles or Dodo when he first got it, probably would have had it.
Alright, we here. We got Call of Duty Modern Warfare's gunfight mode going on. Modern Warfare gunfight, hands-on. Beta is in 1 month. We'll be getting it out early. You guys don't know about the gunfight mode. It's a 2v2 mode with preset classes and no healing. Classes switch every 2 rounds. You switch sides every round. You guys can see here, everyone's got the same class. You see at the top of the screen the health bars indicating, you know, the total health limit for both teams. For the team, it's 200, 100 per player. But again, there's no healing unless you have stim on the class. So we're going to play this, probably going to be playing this as often as possible into the object game at 2:30.
Pipes and you're just going in one direction. They can just shoulder the bomb. That's all they have to do. They just have to keep an eye on the outside. You have to win a good fight where everybody else is already creating.
So we got some we're doing Game Fuel's releasing their optic cams right now. We're in line for that.
Eventually, and we will hold this one down. Being able to slay this much really can make such a big difference. however look at that score. I'm 10 seconds away from heading into the
Let's go, baby.
This is pretty much a domination from United so far. Really good stats across the board.
Going around the back of the game field booth. Ah, they take it around the back side. Okay, okay. Thank you. Alright. Limited edition optic in there.
The line's long.
Alright. So debuted here first, you got the new optic jersey. This man got it for free. So we're gonna go find out where the hell he got it from and try to get the new jersey. Somewhere, you said the front of the building? Like this way?
Roundabout drop off.
So, all right, tell him the story. What exactly happened?
I got dropped off and I thought, okay, I got dropped off and then these two guys were like, hey, you want some free optic merch? So I was like, wait, what?
Yeah,
At first, I thought it was like a trick or something cheesy as heck. And I didn't want it at first. And then I saw the guy open the trunk of his car. And I literally saw
Get in and we'll get you a free jersey.
a collection of the new optic jerseys in various sizes. And they just gave me it for free. And then they took a picture of me.
That's badass.
Pretty good.
All right, well, the collar's poking out a little bit, but we got the Legacy jersey. Hey, motherfucker, I'm talking over here. Got the Legacy. This man's got it. That man's got it. This one, difference is, again, down here in the corner, the one that you can purchase has the events listed. This one has events and players that have competed under the Optic organization. Optic plays in 2 hours, 11:30 against E6 at the Pro Shop setup. I don't know if they're doing any pop-ups. I honestly don't really care since I have this jersey. Pulling up right now though, y'all can see it over that way, security. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop the rig down, and then I'll check back in probably after I get a few games of Modern Warfare in and get down onto the floor for the Optic match. All right, we're gonna go get food. Optic just won 3-1 against E6.
Best match.
Nasty. The fucking boys are looking good. All right, Dashy got a cleanest 5-piece I've ever witnessed in competitive Call of Duty.
As E6 are making this push work out, but again, the spawners for Optic are so close. That top courtyard to the left of them. Coming in through the front line, Dashy!
Fastest team-wide top 3 clip of all time that I've ever seen in Call of Duty. Damon got the grab slam. They won a control in fucking 30 seconds flat. They're looking real good.
Guys, live from CWL Champs.
Want to scuff?
I want to
This is her first event. This
Mine.
is your first event as well? Fourth event. Scuff winner, first event, fourth event. Got these random guys over here. What up, guys? We're all waiting in line for Sensors autograph signing.
And I'm totally going to plug myself in twitch.tv/AshlandKnight. Thank you.
That's right.
Let's go, Optic.
Go, Doug! Hey! Dog one for the people in the back! What up, Doug? There we go.
It goes forward, and it's all on TJ in the final round, and Optic up 2-0.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, day 3 of CWL Champs 2019. We're here sitting by main stage right now. You see it all behind us. The crowd's starting to form, starting to come on through. Just saw Katie up at the desk, told her about the little injury to the shoulder as we fell on the bird scooters last night.
Not we, he.
Me. After about 10 minutes before, or after she said, "You guys are gonna get hurt, just don't get hurt. Promise me you'll be okay." And that shit like 10 minutes later. So I had to go get a pic with her and tell her that she did in fact predict the future. What up, Katie? So yeah, she's up there at the desk, way up there. But yeah, we're here, last day, final day, hoping Optic can win it. We got the Legacy Whites on. We're gonna try to have a good time, play some more Modern Warfare. Grand finals are at 2:30 today. So hopefully again, Optic wins this one last championship for them. Until then, we will see you guys in a moment.
This is huge. I have no idea who's going to win. Telling the fans the whole time. We have a bunch of Optic fans here, a bunch of United fans here.
Yeah, everybody's asking. Yeah, people were asking him who's going to win, and he goes, Optic. And he goes, who's winning? United. He's wearing an Optic jersey, so I'm talking about Optic. No, but it's very tough because both these teams have been incredible in all 3 game modes, right? Like they've been great in search, we saw stuff going off, and I also saw Optic beating teams in search and destroy as well. So
it's a 5 versus 4. Octane tagged up, feeling the pressure. Lightning strike in from Slasher 5v3. TJ, Scump, and Dashy. It falls to you with 18 seconds left. Can you produce a miracle? Tempest out for Octane. He looks to deny, but no! A 1v2. TJ with the nade. TJ has to make the play, but no! Enable shuts him down!
Alright, well, I think it confirms it for COD Champs this year. Optic placed top 3. Really shitty, to be honest. EU United came back from being Optic on the first map against EU, and then EU United came back, beat them 3-1, and then we got swept by 100 Thieves in the losers bracket finals. But it was nice that the afterwards, after like 20 minutes or so, we headed up the stairs. Optic was all around the MLG store, and the fans all kind of came together and took a big group photo, which you guys can see here. Got our sign in a picture with Katie Bedford. Shout out for the clout. But I think that's gonna do it for today. We're gonna do it for the vacation. We're gonna fuck around for the rest of the day. Maybe ride some more of the scooters. Hopefully don't fall again. Until next time.
Everyone stop.